Astrobiologists study the possibility of life beyond Earth. They explore how life began, what conditions it needs to survive, and where it might exist in space. This includes studying extreme environments on Earth, like deep oceans or volcanoes, to understand how life might survive on other planets. They also work with data from space missions and telescopes to look for signs of life on planets and moons. Someone just starting out, such as a research assistant or PhD student, might earn around £18,000 to £30,000. With more experience, like working as a university researcher or scientist, this could rise to between £35,000 and £50,000. Senior scientists or professors can earn even more. To become an astrobiologist, a person usually needs a strong science background. This means getting good GCSEs and A levels in subjects like biology, chemistry, physics, or maths. Then they would go on to study a science degree at university, such as biology, astronomy, or planetary science. Many also complete a master's degree or a PhD, focusing on astrobiology or a related topic. Being curious about space and life, and having good research skills is essential.